Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are focusing on all things hydration. This is for those days when your skin feels dry or dehydrated, or your hair feels a little brittle or thirsty. You know, when you just need that extra oomph, if you will. I know the struggle of having hair and skin that's just dry, girl. My skin and my hair, they get dry. You know, it takes time to really develop a skincare and hair routine that truly works good for you and makes you feel your best self. So, if you can relate to the dryness struggle, then my friend, this video is for you. So before we get into the video, I just want to give Sephora Collection a massive thank you for partnering with me and bringing this video to you guys. They actually have a pretty fun challenge going on right now, and it's basically where you wear a face mask out in public and post a pic to tell the tale. And if you're looking for an easy way to add some extra hydration to your skincare routine, Sephora Collection has a super wide range of masks to choose from. They have masks that you can use on the regular, and then they have super masks that will completely change your skincare routine. My favorite one is the watermelon because I literally love anything watermelon, plus it's super hydrating, and my skin is so dry, so I need hydration whenever I can get it. You know, sometimes I feel like skincare can take a back seat to our very busy lives. They're hoping to remind people how important your skincare is and, you know, to take care of it. All right, so without further ado, let's just hop into the video. Oh my gosh, I'm so corny. Now over to my hair hydration routine. So Sephora Collection really has a mask for everything, including a sleep mask for your hair. I'm gonna put one in my hair, and I'm going to be using this rose one while I sleep to really give my hair a nice refresh. So once I'm up, I'll hop into the shower and remove all of that mask out of my hair. Then I like to hop in with my Moroccan Oil Curl Cleansing Conditioner. Now I like to use this as opposed to a shampoo because it really locks in the moisture and prevents my hair from being stripped of its natural oils. So I'm just going to massage that into my scalp, put it throughout my hair, and make sure that my hair gets a really good squeaky clean. Now entering the styling portion of the video. So I'm going to start off by using my Sayriaajade Curl Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream. If any of you guys know my channel, have watched any of my curly hair videos, then you guys know that I am very big on using cream-based products in my hair. Whenever you're trying to add moisture or keep moisture in your hair, I feel that it is important to use products that are cream-based. So obviously you're not going to want to use gels, you're not going to want to use hairspray, you're not going to want to use mousse and things that will make your hair hard, things that more than likely contain alcohol that dry your hair out. So next I'm using my Jade Curl Quencher. Now this is for intense hydration. It says it right here on the package. So y'all already know I'm about to go ham with this. So last but not least, I'm going in with my Sayriaajade Rosarco oil, and I'm just going to massage that into my scalp and then scrunch it into my ends to seal that moisture, baby. And now we wait because we're air drying. All right, my loves, so that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Sephora Collection's brand new sheet masks. They really are amazing masks. Plus, they are good on the pockets, so you know that's always a win. They also have a buy 3 get 1 free deal going on, so I mean, it really is a good deal. Again, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Much love, guys. I love you all.